Hi students, this is ninth video on trigonometry. Today I am going to explain problems based on trigonometric identities and also complement of trigonometric ratios. Already part 1 I released. The problems are do this and try these problems. Now I am solving some exercise problems. See, first sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. This is a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here I am writing sin square theta plus cos square theta, a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 sin theta cos theta plus the second part a minus b whole square. This is also sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta. So a square plus b square plus 2ab, a square plus b square minus 2ab, like that. What is sin square theta plus cos square theta? That is the identity. We know 1. 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus here. Once again sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 and minus 2 sin theta cos theta. This is 2 sin theta cos theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus, both will be cancelled. 1 plus 1 nothing but 2. So answer is 2. Now secant square theta minus 1 into cosecant square theta minus 1. What is this value? Secant square theta minus 1. It is nothing but tan square theta. How it is tan square theta? See, 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. This is the identity. We know 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. Here secant square theta minus 1 is there. You send 1 to right side. So tan square theta is secant square theta minus 1. Okay, tan square theta is what? Secant square theta. You send 1 to right side. It is minus 1. So I am writing secant square theta minus 1 is nothing but tan square theta into. Now what is cosecant square theta minus 1? It is cot square theta. How it is cot square theta? There is also one more identity. 1 plus cot square theta is cosecant square theta. So this is the identity. 1 plus cot square theta is cosecant square theta. Here cosecant square theta minus 1 is there. So here also you send 1 to right side. You will get cot square theta is cosecant square theta minus 1. You send 1 to right side. Okay. So now these two are reciprocals. So tan square theta into this is nothing but 1 by tan square theta. So tan and cot both are reciprocal. Tan square cancel. You will get 1. This is the answer. Okay. Show that root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a equal to secant a plus tan a. So first we will proceed from LHS. What is LHS here? Root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a. Okay. Now finally we have to get RHS value. Now this type of problems what we have to do? Observe the denominator. Take conjugate of this value. Multiply both numerator and denominator. Okay. So I am writing this one as root of 1 plus sin a. Again as it is I am writing 1 minus sin a. Okay. Into root of 1 minus sin a is there. Its conjugate is 1 plus sin a. I am multiplying both numerator and denominator by 1 plus sin a root. Okay. Root of 1 plus sin a. Now see here. Root of 1 plus sin a, again root of 1 plus sin a. It is a plus b into a plus b whole square. Like that. This one also root of 1 plus sin a. It is 2 times. So its whole square. Okay. By what about here? Root of 1 minus sin a into root of 1 plus sin a. So root of 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a. That is 1 minus sin square a. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a is 1 square minus sin square a. 1 square is nothing but 1. Now here root and square cancel. You will get only simply 1 plus sin a by denominator. Root of 1 minus sin square a. So root of 1 minus sin square a is cos square a. You know sin square a plus cos square a is 1. Sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. This identity we are using. So 1 minus sin square a it is cos square a. Cos square a equal to 1 minus sin square a. I'm substituting like that. Here also square root cancel. So you are getting 1 plus sin A by cos A simply. Okay. Now we will separate this as two terms. 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. 1 by cos A one term plus sin A by cos A second term. Now what is 1 by cos A? 1 by cos A, reciprocal of secant. So this is secant A plus sin by cos, it is tan A. Nothing but RHS. So what we have to show here? Secant A plus tan A. Like that, start from LHS, we will reach RHS. See, these are also very simple problems, we will solve fatafat. 1 minus sin square A by cot square A minus 1 is tan square A. How to show this one? Say, here tan square A is there, here cot square A is there. We will convert cot square A into tan square A because RH is also tan square. So now I am taking LHS. What is LHS? 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1. So I am writing as it is LHS. This is nothing but 1 minus tan square A by, see, cot square A I am writing as 1 by tan square A minus 1. Okay, cot square A I am writing as 1 by tan square. Now 1 minus tan square A by, here what is LCM here in these two terms? Tan square A is LCM. Tan square A, it is going one time, 1 1 1 minus, nothing is there, 1 into tan square, simply I write tan square A. Now, so this is numerator and this is denominator. So this denominator will be tilt like, see, 1 minus tan square A as it is we have write numerator, okay, into, now this one I am writing as tan square A by 1 minus tan square A. So A by B by C by D means A by B into C by D will be written as into D by C, okay, like the tan square A by 1 minus tan square A. Here 1 minus tan square A, 1 minus tan square cancel. What we are getting? Simply tan square A. It is nothing but RHS. Finish. Okay. Now say, show that 1 by cos theta minus cos theta equal to tan theta into sin theta. Here also take first LHS. 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. This is LHS. Okay, what is LCM here? Cos theta. Cos theta, it is going one time. So 1 into 1, again 1 minus, here you can write as 1. 1 into cos times. Okay, cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. What is 1 minus cos square theta? It is sin square theta. Sin square theta by cos theta. So 1 minus cos square theta, you can write here identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sin square theta. Sin square theta means 1 minus cos square theta. Now see, I am writing it as sin theta into sin theta. Separately, I am writing this by cos theta. You see, what is sin theta by cos theta? It is tan theta. And one more is sin theta. This is nothing but RHS. Okay. So what I have to show? Tan theta into sin theta. This is one of the important problem in this exercise. Prove that sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So here also we will start from LHS. What is LHS? Sin A plus cosecant A whole square. This is A plus B whole square style. Okay. Now cos A plus secant A whole square. This is also A plus B whole square. What is A plus B whole square? A square plus B square plus 2AB. So I am writing this one as sin square A plus cosecant square A. Sin square A plus cosecant square A plus 2 into sin A into cosecant A. 2 sin A cosecant A. Similarly here also, this is first one. Second one also, cos square A plus secant square A plus 2 into cos A secant A. Cos A secant A. Now say sin square A, cos square A. I am writing in one place. Sin square A plus cos square A. Okay, we will make this one as group. Sin square A and cos square A. Plus cosecant square A. What is cosecant square A? Trigonometric identity 1 plus cot square A. Okay, cot square is necessary in RHS. So cosecant square A. Okay, next time I will write cosecant square A. Plus, now 2 into sin A into cosecant A. Cosecant A is nothing but 1 by sin A. Both are reciprocals. Okay. Sin A and cosecant A reciprocal. So cosecant A I am writing as 1 by sin A plus secant square A. Secant square A is nothing but 1 plus tan square A. It is also identity. We need here tan square. So next time I will write secant square A as it is I am writing plus 2 into cos A into secant A also 1 by cos A. Both are reciprocals. Secant and cos both are reciprocals. So cos A, secant I am writing as 1 by cos A. Okay. See here sin square A plus cos square A. It is 1. Okay. Plus now cosecant square A I am writing as 1 plus cot square A plus sin A cancel. We are getting here only 2 plus now secant square A it is 1 plus tan square A plus here cos cancel. We are getting 2. So here 1 plus cot square A. We will write that identity. Cosecant square A equal to 1 plus cot square A. That is one identity. Next, secant square A equal to 1 plus tan square A. This is another identity. We are using these two identities. Now here you see 1 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. We are getting 7 plus cot square A and tan square A. Tan square A plus cot square A. This is nothing but RHS. Finish. So 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2, that is total 7 we are getting. 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A, it is RHS. Important problem this one. Now finally we will solve these two problems. Simplify secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A. What is this value? See, secant A into 1 minus sin A, again secant A plus tan A. Observe here, secant A into 1, it is nothing but secant A, minus is there, secant A into sin A, secant A, sin A. Okay. Now second one as it is, secant A plus tan A. Now see here, secant A minus, secant A I am writing as 1 by cos A into sin A. Here secant A plus tan A. Now, what is sin A by cos A? It is tan A. Secant A minus tan A. Okay, sin A by cos A is tan A. Secant A plus tan A. This is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. A plus B into A minus B. Secant A minus tan A into secant A plus tan A. It is secant square A minus tan square A. This is the identity. What is secant square A minus tan square A? It is 1. Okay. Now simplify. 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. I am writing once again. 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. See, 1 minus cos into 1 plus cos. A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square. So 1 square. It is 1 minus cos square theta into 1 plus cot square theta. Now the identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So what is 1 minus cos square theta? It is sin square theta. Sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. So I am writing this one as sin square theta into. Now what is 1 plus cos square theta? It is also identity. 1 plus cos square theta is cosecant square theta. Okay. We are using these identities. So I am writing this one as cosecant square theta. 1 plus cot square is cosecant square. These two reciprocals, sin and cosecant. So sin square theta as it is right. And this is 1 by sin square theta. These two will be cancelled. Sin square theta, sin square. What we are getting? 1. So these are the answers. Right. If you like my videos, please share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.